And he joins us again. Thank you for joining us, sir. You're one of several attorneys representing R. Kelly, who's facing multiple charges in several states. Attorney Leonard, thank you again. So let's jump right in. Mr. Kelly, as we all know him as is R. Kelly, he was in court in New York federal courtroom Thursday, and we understand you joined by phone from Chicago. Why do you think, or better yet, why was R. Kelly's bond denied? And did Judge Ann Donnelly give a reason? If so, what was it?
Yeah, well, it was interesting. It was kind of a bond hearing that wasn't. It was sort of extraordinary from that standpoint. Traditionally in a federal court bond hearing, you spend your time arguing about why the person is not a flight risk and why they're not a danger to the community. This took on a different tenor because the reasons cited by counsel for the bond were issues that the judge was concerned about and really wanted to address with the counsel who filed the motion to make sure that he was really sort of serious about what he was saying. And, she sort of started out by questioning him about whether he was really serious that he believed the MCC Chicago had been eavesdropping on his FaceTime meetings with counsel and his in-person meetings. And so because that's a real serious issue. If it were true, you could get a case dismissed. And, when that happens at any jail, anywhere, that's, cause for alarm and cause for overturning, hundreds of cases. So she was sort of taken aback by that allegation. And, really the only response that the counsel had was that my other attorney, Ms. Blank-Pecker, told me that she thought it was true. And really, obviously, the judge was not pleased because if it were true, it would be something that would lead to criminal charges and that sort of thing. And then the other issue,
who would face criminal charges, Attorney Leonard, if it were true?
Oh yeah, well, if a jail or prison was tape recording meetings between attorneys and defendants or FaceTime meetings, they would be clearly federally prosecuted for doing that. So it's an extraordinary thing that really almost never happens. And if you want to make an allegation like that, you better make sure that it's true. And that's kind of what the judge was pointing out to the attorney.
Got it. Okay.